Every time my camera catches up to them, they stop moving. Yeah, you. How you doing? Nice to see you. Don't take my French fries. Hello, explorers. David here from Florida Park Explorers. Coming to you from Disney Springs, heading over to Rainforest Cafe. We're gonna go have a nice lunch, dinner, and really enjoy ourselves and have a great meal. So don't mind me if I'm watching where I'm walking, because I've almost walked into 5 people. But we're headed over there right now, and we're gonna have a great time. So come along. Let's go explore some Disney Springs. Let's go have some fun. So as a point of reference, there's the Lego store. And if you come across this bridge, you go right into Rainforest Cafe. You gotta love the guest check-in. Here's your theming. If you've ever been in a TRex, very similar style with the aquariums. The only difference is instead of a meteor taking place every 20-30 minutes, you wind up with a volcano going off and some thunderstorms. And there's so many little things you just have to pay attention to in here. All the different animals, and the fish and the elephant, all the different stuff. Super cool theming. Absolutely love this place. Food's really good too. So this is right at our table. We are sitting with the gorillas. Every now and then they go off. Matter of fact, that guy down there just moved.
Do you like this place? We can even walk.
And then there's cheetahs up there. And there's a macaw. Oh, he's moving. You gonna move? Every time I get to them, they don't move.
I think we can keep the glass or something. That's awesome.
Move.
It's a great glass. Keep it. Great.
Oh, he's coming to life. Coming to life now.
Has it on the thing.
Oh, there he is.
The glass.
Hi, buddy. Yeah, you.
Of course you can.
So looking around, you got a cockatoo,
And that's your meal.
and a macaw, and a gorilla. Every time my camera catches up to them, they stop moving. Yeah, you. How you doing? Nice to see you. Don't take my French fries. There's monkeys up in the tree. And a butterfly.
I keep it. What is it? Oh, wait. See the butterfly over there? What fell? Your man? Okay. No, I just want to make sure I put away.
Another butterfly.
We've got to come to different kinds of places
So the lights come on and they put on a show. Does anybody else hear the Tarzan song?
Yeah, no kidding. Everybody else what?
Hear the Tarzan song.
Rescue the rainforest.
That was cool. It's a little different. See the butterfly over my shoulder
Yeah, sunshine.
and the monkey. It's supposed to look like Saturn and the world. I love this place. So we got burgers and shrimp tacos and all kinds of stuff coming. So should be really yummy. They're monkeying around. Look at them.
I like them. Probably hungry too.
Quit monkeying around.
Sitting in a blue room like it. You know what this is? I would hope so.
Like a golden.
What are we gonna name the monkey?
It says,
The cheetahs are moving.
The cheetahs are moving.
why do I keep them? Why do I keep them?
Oh, look at that.
Looks like I'm gonna fall out.
The butterfly is flapping. He doesn't seem to stop. This is just a little bit, then move a whole lot. Oh, let's check on the sound.
It's a long time.
Animals are going nuts.
So we just finished up eating. And fries came out ice cold, so we sent those back and got new fries, which when they came out were piping hot and wonderful. The hamburger was actually really good. It was cooked medium. It was probably one of the better hamburgers I've had in a while. Jen had fish tacos, which had a
Shrimp
little...
tacos.
I said shrimp taco.
Oh, you said fish. I'm sorry. Say
Shrimp-
fish tacos too.
Shrimp
so.
tacos, which had a little spicy kick to them, but they look really good with, was it a black bean? With black bean.
It's the black bean, and it's like pico de gallo mixed in with the black bean.
That sounds good. The kid actually didn't get a hamburger.
But she got
She
her
got
second choice.
she got pizza. Go figure. The French fries and came with onion with orange slices. So she's super happy. It was a grilled pizza. It was really good. And my mom got it was a turkey wrap, with bacon, lettuce, the whole 9 yards.
It's like a turkey club.
It's like a turkey club and a
Like a
wrap.
turkey club
It was
wrap, yeah.
really good. But again, all of our fries came out cold. They were really quick about getting it to us. The atmosphere is phenomenal, so it's nice to have good food, good meal, great ambiance, and they got the sangria. So they come in a souvenir cup, which is kind of neat. Looks a lot like that. So the sangria, my wife is an aficionado, so she liked her sangria. So everything was really good, and the kid also gets her to-go cup. Somewhere.
Looks something like this.
And that's pretty much Rainforest Cafe. I would give it an A across the board. Food was good, service was good. Ambiance is always phenomenal.
Service was good too.
Yeah, I said service was good. Everything about it was a good experience. You know, the one thing they screwed up, they fixed it very quickly, which you can't beat. Just know one thing, it's a higher price, table service. You're gonna pay a little bit more, and it's because there's animatronics and the world ends every 35 minutes. So, but as long as you know that, you come in, you're gonna expect to pay, $20 to $25 a plate plus. So, as long as you know that coming in, it's a really good experience. Definitely go here. If you've never been to TRex, TRex is the same thing, same owners, same company, except every 35 minutes, T-Rex comes to eat you, and there's a meteor that crashes into the place and kills you. So, but a great ambiance as well. We've been there for Bella's birthday. If they quit monkeying around behind me, I could finish this. But Big Guys Food Review, A+ across the board. It's a great place, so definitely recommend coming down to Springs. Keep in mind there are 2 locations in Orlando. One is in Disney Springs. The other one is at Animal Kingdom. It's at the front entrance, so you don't even have to have a pass to go in, but you would have to pay for parking. So unless you bust over, took an Uber or whatever. But great ambiance, great time. Definitely recommend Rainforest Cafe. So we're out in what is essentially their gift shop. I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. But don't hold it against me if we shake a little bit. I don't have the gimbal out right now. There's lots of cool stuff for kids. And
So
different
they
shirts.
give you the glasses in boxes.
Wow. So when you get the sangria and you get the
Oh, cool.
they give you the glass to go with it when it's a souvenir, it comes in a box.
Red-eyed tree frog bone. Oh, they have a big red-eyed tree frog.
Lots of cool things for the kids. Red-eyed tree frogs, which Bella's obsessed with.
This stuff here is priced like really. This is $15.
That's a good deal for
And I
15
believe
bucks.
As a pass holder, I believe you get the 20.
I mean, it's a cool gift shop. There's no doubt. It's got a little bit better flow to it than T-Rex. T-Rex, I feel like all you're doing is walking all over people. Hey, look at that tree frog. It's got lava coming down now. Lava. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.